Hey, Clayton here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a collection page to your Shopify store. Now, if you don't know how to add products, I'll leave a link to the video I did on how to add products. On this video, I'm going to do manual collections and automatic collections and show you how to actually do that. First of all, if you haven't signed up to Shopify, there's a link to sign up to Shopify below. If you use any of my affiliate links, I'll do a free website review of your store, going over some tips and suggestions to help conversions and stuff like that. So check that out. So let's actually get into it. So when you're in your main menu of Shopify, you want to click products and then you want to click collections. And this is how you actually go to create a collection. Normally default, you'll have homepage in there. I normally delete it. So if you just click there, press actions, press delete, then press delete. That homepage one is gone. Then if you make a new one, you want to click create collection. If you already have some, it'll be in the top right. Then you want to actually just name it. So we might put dress. Because in the last example, we added a dress as a product. So we can put dress here or dresses, whichever you like. Now here we could actually add a description in there. Normally, I don't really add a description in the description for the collection page. You can if you want. It helps a little bit with SEO. Normally, I'd probably only add 1 or 2 sentences, just so there's not too much text in there. Then down here, it's got collection type, manual, automated. If you click manual, you're going to have to manually add all the products into your store, into the page, I mean. So if we saved right now, it would set up a manual collection where we can actually add products. So down here where it says products, we can click here to browse, or we can like type it in here or click browse and then select the products. The same thing like in my last video, if you're actually on the product page, you can actually go to collections and then type in what collection you want that product to be in if it's set up manually. Same thing down here with sort. So you can actually select how you want it to be displayed. So like newest, A to Z, Z to A, stuff like that. We might just add all these products here. So we can actually add the 4 here. And then basically if you click here, it will sort it how you want it to sort it. If you click manually, you can actually move the position. So if you click and hold these dots, you can actually move these products around. And then over here, you can actually add an image for the banner for the collection. I normally don't have a collection image either. It really depends on how good the quality of the image is and how the theme's actually set up, whether I do it or not. Over here, collection availability. So if we click manage, we can unselect to actually display on our store or not. If you have Facebook, stuff like that, it will have all these sales channels here. So you can actually pick which ones if you want this to actually go to Facebook and stuff like that. Down here is for SEO. So basically same as the last video. I honestly don't think most people watching this really need to worry about SEO, but you could put a lot of keywords in here and stuff like that and save it, and that will be how it displays on Google. Personally, if I was you and you're really interested in SEO, I'll just go to Shopify experts, hire SEO expert, and they can fix all this stuff up for you. Now, if we go back, we're actually going to learn how to do a few different types of automated collections. I'm going to delete this one and just start from scratch. So if we want to make all products, new arrivals, stuff like that, I'm going to show you how to do each one. So if we click create a collection. So basically, the first one I'm going to do is all products. So if you want all your products to display in this collection and for it to automatically pull all the products over, you just click automated, come down here to conditions, and just change this to inventory stock greater than 0. So if we do this now, all the products that have more than 0 stock will actually be in this collection. So basically any sold out products will not be in this collection. If you want to keep the sold out products, all you do is just add another condition and then click here is equal to 0. and then press any condition. So basically what that's actually going to do is going to pull all the products, whether they have inventory or not, into this page. Now, if we go back, we're going to make a dress collection. So if we create collection, press dress. So we're going to type dress, dresses, whatever you want. Automated. So we're going to be product tag equals to dress. So in the last video, we actually put a tag on the product. I'll leave a link above or in the description if you want to go check that out. But basically, any product with the tag dress will actually go into this product, into this collection. So if we press save here, the product with dress is here now. And the same thing with the manual one. We can go manually and move them around and stuff like that if we want. Basically, this all conditions and any condition. So if you have all conditions selected, every single condition here, the product has to meet every single condition. Any conditions, if it meets any of the conditions, will pull it to here. Now, if we do a new arrivals, so create collection, we can do new arrivals. And then we go down to here. What we would do here is just go inventory stock greater than 0. A lot of people use new arrivals on their homepage. So this one's really important that on nearly any website is that you don't have the condition if it's out of stock on there, because people display 4 products as new arrivals on their homepage, and if you sell out of something, it's going to look bad when people come to your homepage, because you really want the homepage to be focused on what I normally talk about: giving them good feeling, showcase the products, the prices, build trust, build connection. So you really just don't want to have sold out stuff on your homepage. And then if we just save here now, this is how we would set up the new arrivals. So it's going to pull all the products into the page. And then if we go down here to sort by and we click newest, it's actually going to display the newest products. So that's actually how you do a new arrivals one. And then if we want to do a bestseller one, so we click here, same sort of thing. A lot of people use bestseller on the homepage as well. So if we go the same thing here, inventory stock greater than 0, and then press save. And then go sort. We just click bestsellers here. It's already set up. So it will display the best selling products on your store. So whatever sells the most will be there. Same sort of thing with the homepage. If you have like 4 bestsellers on the homepage, it's always going to keep changing it to whatever sells the best on your website. So that can be a really good one. You can have the sold out ones like I did on the all products if you want as well. It's totally up to you. I might just go through all the conditions in this next one. So if we just have example, you probably wouldn't name it that. So all these conditions here. So product title. So if you wanted to make up a collection that pulls all certain words from a product title here, so contains, maybe you write dress. So this is going to pull all the products that have dress in the title into this collection. And then the same sort of thing you can have does not contain. So if you don't want any products that have dress in the title in this collection, that's what you do. Sort of same sort of filters here, is equal to, stuff like that. The next one, type. So like in my other video, product type. So you could actually put like, if the product type was dress, it would pull all these product types is equal to dress, or is not equal to that. The next one is vendor. So like my previous video as well, is equal to vendor. So you could have like your company name there, whatever sort of thing. The next condition is price. So this would be good for like a sale collection. So you just put is greater than $5, is greater than, is equal to, is, you could put all the conditions in there for the price. Tag, we sort of already went over that. We could put dress there. Compare at price. So this is like when something is on sale. So it'll be like $19.95 slashed out $29.95. You can put the price in there as well. by weight. So you could do is greater than. So like if you want to go over 10 kilos, all the products here. So if you made a collection, say 0 to 5 kilos, like some people would probably need to make that type of collection, you could put that in here as well. Inventory stock, sort of already went over that as well. And variant title. So for example, if you just wanted to put like all the blue, so if the variant title has blue in it, or navy, we did a navy one in the last video, it's going to pull all the stuff that has a variant title of navy. So I might just delete all these other ones and just show you, because one of our products we set up as navy as the color. So if we save here, so that would be good for like the fashion type of one. For some reason it didn't come up on this one. Variant title. Maybe if we put black, it'll work. So not 100% sure why this isn't coming up. Contains. Oh yeah, there. So come up. So basically, if you want a collection that say is blue, so you could have all the variants as blue or black or whatever, and have the collection name black. And then if someone comes here, they're going to know all those products are actually like a black. Like you can get them in black, even if the first picture isn't a black dress or something like that. You could sort of set it up like that. I'm going to go and show you how to actually change the feel of it as well. So basically, like this is how the product page, the collection page looks at the moment. Like I said in my previous video, I haven't built out this website or anything. This is just sort of showing you step by step how to do stuff. If there's any videos you want me to make, just let me know. But basically, you can notice there's a problem here as well, that all the product images aren't the same size. Now, there's a couple of ways to sort of get around that. You can use an app called Photo Resize, which automatically resizes all the images, or you could actually resize the images yourself on like something like Pixlr, so they're all the same images size. A lot of premium themes these days have a feature in the theme that will automatically resize the images as well. So it's really important that you try to make these images all the same size to be very consistent. I'm going to go into the back end of the theme now. So if we go online stores, themes, and then whatever template you're using, you just go customize. And then you go up here and just click collection. And then on most themes, it should say collection pages here. So if we click here, this is all the options for the collection page on this theme template. They're different theme to theme, but this should give you a good idea sort of thing. So for example, this tag picker type, see how the tags are here. So if they click dress or bag, it will just show all the dresses, for example. See how only the dress come up. We'll just go back to all. If we click drop down, it just changed that to a drop down. Up here, a lot of them have show collection tags, so we can actually turn that off as well if you wanted. Show collection sorting, we could actually turn that off as well. Really totally up to you. It really depends on your website and stuff like that. One that a lot of people really mess up that have more than 20 products is this one, number of rows. See how most themes are automatically set it up as 2. You should probably set it up as 6. That will actually display more products. So basically, if you have like 100 products and someone went to an all products page and you only had it set up as 2 rows, they would only see 8 products per page. So there'd be heaps and heaps of pages that people have to scroll through to find what they're looking for. So if you set it up as number of rows 6, there'll be less like pages they have to scroll through. You could actually do some little coding to actually make this 10, for example, on Debutify, but you probably don't want to make the page too big because it'll take too long to load sort of thing. So that's something to think about as well. Products per row, pretty much every theme template has this, so you can actually change it. So if you wanted to have 3 products per row on desktop, 1 product per row on a mobile, I normally try to have it 2 products per row on a mobile, but it really depends on how much inventory you have, what type of products you have and stuff like that. So it's really up to you. If you have an add to cart button underneath this, there's so many different factors on whether you should have it 2 per row on a mobile or 1 per row on a mobile. That's really up to you. You probably want to test what it looks like on a mobile phone and stuff like that. Normally, if you test it on a mobile phone with a smaller screen, that will give you a better idea of what direction you should go. So you could even have it as 2 if you wanted. At the end of the day, most people are probably going to come on a mobile phone. What I've seen on my clients' websites and stuff, so I've worked on like hundreds of businesses and stuff now, and rarely someone will have like a 50-50 split from desktop and mobile. What I'm seeing is most people have like 60+% on mobile, but there still is a lot of websites that do have a 50-50 split sort of thing, especially like if you sell products to the elderly and stuff like that. A lot of people are coming on a desktop and stuff. So it really depends on your niche, what you're trying to do, stuff like that. I think that's about it. Let me know what you think in the comments. Give me some video ideas. I'm really trying to build out a lot of tutorials on this YouTube channel to really help my clients and sort of pay it forward for all the stuff I learned from YouTube back in 2015. So yeah, you liking this video, commenting, letting me know what you think, giving me some ideas really helps me out, and I really appreciate it. So until next time, have a good one. Bye.